It's so cold.
It's so cool.
It's so cool. It's so cool. Nikos is gonna like it.
Nico, look at this.
Dixon is a pussy. Come on, Dixon. Oh, you didn't do it.
Houston, 3, 1, 2, half
Oh shit! Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! I told you! Oh! This is awesome! Oh yeah! I should have gone on this the first! That is awesome! I need to go on this again! I know. Dude, you were right. You were right, man. I am that so was good. Right. I'm so right. High five. That was good. Dixon, you're a pussy. That was awesome. At the top, you thought you were like gonna turn and then. Well, yeah. Whoa, look at the fire. There's like a fire there. Whoa. Is that really a fire? Yeah, that's a fire. It's such a fire. Oh man, I'm still super cold. I'm like shaking. Hey, wow, the water finally came out of my ear. Ooh, that's good. Aye. So effing worth it. I know, that was nice. Oh, I'm gonna fall asleep. Can I go in there again? No, it makes you relax, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh man, I need to go in there again, dude. Dixon, get on! You have to get on here, Dixon! Come on, Dixon! You got it, come on! Oh, isn't that so worth it? Dixon! Come on! You gotta get out! That's not terrible at all.
Are you okay?
That's nice! Come on, Dixon!